Welcome back to Stackhouse Knives. I'm going to be doing a bit of shop maintenance. I usually have my earmuffs sitting on this top mezzanine board, and I usually have the earmuffs just on these little screws that just show you right where they are. And then I have these face masks that we use a lot in the classes, and I use them for my videos, and especially for Damascus steel projects. They're really protective and really good. But I kind of just leave them there, and there's two more on the shelf here. And this one's already kind of getting scratched, and it's probably quite a poor solution to storage. I'm going to designate one bolt to one of the face masks and one screw to the earmuff. So I'm just going to pop a bolt at the back here so that the bolt has a nice big hook in a way to access with these face masks. I'll just show you. Basically I want these guys to hang up like so. Once I've got that done, I'm getting on to a few more shop maintenance things. So first things first, I need a drill. I'm going to need a drill bit. Here is our drill. Has some charge, that's good. Drill. Alright, I've got some bolts in here that I've probably never used. And I have 4 face masks, so 4 bolts. I did do maths. Bolts, and then I need a drill bit that's going to roughly friction fit these guys in place. Let's see what we have. Okie dokie. What about one of these? If in doubt, I'll just hammer it in there. So we'll take this one out. Obviously, oh, that doesn't fit in there. It's a 10mm chuck, and this is 11.5. Bugger. Okay, new solution. Underneath here, I have an old-fashioned called a drill with a 13mm chuck. I'm gonna have to use this guy. I'm going to go over to the drill press chuck so that I can use the chuck on this guy and tighten the drill bit. There we go. Okay, we don't need my phone charger. That can go away for a second. We'll plug that dude in place. Okay, drill, and up here is the plan. Hammer. There we go. Yes! Maybe that's a bit too low. People are going to headbutt that a bit. Maybe drop it. That's a bit too high. Oh, like that. I'm going to put the hole a little bit further up. Little pin and knock. But where's the hole gone? Oh, there. Gosh. Good. Way through. That's a little bit better. Let's do that. Cool. We can tap that guy now. In place. Done. Oh, split the wood. Next mask. I think those are looking quite nice. Okay, my next maintenance job that I really wanted to tackle was that I have these 3 hooks, or 3 screws, again. Screws make great hooks to hook up all of my grinding discs. Now, my bench is pretty messy at the moment, and there's just dust and rubbish and worn out grinding discs. Check out this one, he's tiny. So I wanted to sort out new discs, old discs, and then one of each type. So I've got cutting, flat discs, and grinding discs. So that'll be the next job. There. Awesome. Okay, cool. So that's slightly better with our disc management. Keeps them up off the bench and it keeps the bench nice and clean. Job 2 complete.